Welcome to Mathematics Pro. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. So today we are going to solve all level 2021 mathematics problem. So the first part, which is simplify, so we have to simplify. So when simplifying, the first thing you have to take into consideration are the sign. So this bracket represents times. So what you should know is that when we have a minus times a minus is a plus, and a plus times a minus is a minus, and plus times plus is plus, a minus times plus is minus. So we can clearly see that when we multiply, when the sign are the same, we have a plus, and when the sign are different, when we multiply, we have a minus. So different, when we multiply, we have a minus. So to open the bracket, we have to take that into consideration. So firstly, we are going to get 2y. So here we have minus 3 times x. So a minus, this is a minus times a plus, x is plus. So a minus times a plus is a minus, so we are going to have 3x. Next, we are going to have minus 3 times minus 4. So a minus times a minus is a plus. This will give us 12. So we have opened the bracket already. Minus y. Next, we have to simplify like terms together. So if we want to simplify, we can see that we have like terms, we have y and minus 2y minus y. So this will give us 2y minus y minus 3x plus 12. So 2y minus y is simply y minus 3x plus 12. So this is our answer for question 1. So let's move to question 2. So we have question 2 and question 3. So for question 2, we are asked to evaluate this. Like this will give us which value. So we have minus. We can see when you have minus 3 square in the bracket is different. This is 9, but here it's just like we have minus. The square is just on 3, doesn't affect the minus sign. So this will give us this 3 square. Firstly, you write our minus. This 3 square is the same as 9, plus we have 3 square, which is 9, minus 9 plus 9 is the same as 9 minus 9, which is 0. Okay, so this can also be written as plus 9 is 9 minus 9, which is 0. So the next question, solve the equation. So to solve the equation, this is a quadratic equation. It needs to be solved to be equal to 0. So a quadratic equation generally have two solutions most often. So in this case, we realize that we can have two solutions. So to solve this, we have to solve 2x minus 5 should be equal to 0. Like this part should be equal to 0, or x plus 3 equals to 0. So this will give us 2x. This is minus. When it causes an equal sign, it becomes plus. So this will be equals to 5. Or we have x. This is plus 3. When it causes an equal sign, it becomes minus 3. So we can further simplify this to get the value of x. X will be the same as 5 divided by 2. So our answer for this question is x equals to 5 over 2, or x is equals to minus 3. Okay, so that was all for question 1, 2, and 3. So let's move to the next question.